Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Monday, January 18th, 2016. It is a very cold morning out there, and temperatures won't be moving all that much by this afternoon, with temperatures basically in the upper 20s to lower 30s by this afternoon. Where are we now? Pretty much upper 20s, lower 30s. So what's happening here is an Arctic cold front is moving through the region right now after we had a nice little surprise snow event right along the central and southern New Jersey coast where we ended up with 1 to 2 inches of snow. I know, not a lot, but so far this season that is a lot. So with that snow out of the region, we have temperatures that have crashed into the lower to mid 20s in some of the suburbs, upper teens in the interior, and then you have sprinkling of upper 20s to lower 30s ahead of the cold front. As this cold front moves through, temperatures will fall once again into the mid 20s and then rebound into the upper 20s to around 32 degrees. So not really moving all that much, and unfortunately with all that snow out there, about an inch or so, and you had a little bit of melting involved there because it's a heavy wet snow, we have a high threat here for black ice throughout the region, not only for the morning hours but throughout the entire day, and that's going to continue on through tomorrow and into Wednesday. The good news is that high pressure is in complete control. With this cold front moving through, high pressure will build in. The bad news with that is that we're going to have some rather gusty winds, and you combine winds at anywhere from 15 to 25 miles per hour with temperatures in the upper teens in the morning and upper 20s to lower 30s in the afternoon. You're going to end up with wind chills in the single digits to lower 20s throughout the next 48 hours. So definitely bundle up out there. On the radar, not much really going on. We have a few scattered snow showers associated with the cold front moving through. Those snow showers are actually starting to collapse, but they will be capable of producing a flurry or two, especially over northeastern Pennsylvania and northern New Jersey, the Hudson River Valley, Connecticut, and New York City. As you head further south, not much going on, high and dry. On the infrared satellite picture, there goes our storm from yesterday. Here comes our Arctic cold front for today. And then behind that, plenty of high pressure and very cold. This is all cold air. This is not cloud cover. This is all, the ground is so cold, the air mass is so cold that it's showing up on the infrared satellite picture. So we definitely have the cold weather. Are we going to have a storm? Well, it's starting to look like one. We're going to watch it very carefully. Let's dive into the forecast again for this afternoon. Chance for a few flurries, otherwise scattered cloud cover and windy winds from the northwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour, gusting over 20 miles per hour. Temperatures in the upper 20s to lower 30s. For this evening, again, windy with winds anywhere from 15 to 25 miles per hour from the northwest. Temperatures will be falling throughout tonight into the upper teens throughout the entire region. You could actually see single digits to lower teens over the interior. Now, there will be a threat for a flurry or two, especially over northeastern Pennsylvania, mostly due to some lake-enhanced snow that is moving off of Lake Ontario and Lake Erie that could push into the region by the morning hours. Then on throughout the day on Tuesday, again, high pressure in place, sky cloud cover, brisk northwesterly wind, temperatures rebound into the upper 20s to lower 30s. And on Wednesday, again, scattered cloud cover, tranquil weather conditions. Look for lows in the lower to mid 20s and highs in the mid to upper 30s. Then things get interesting. We're going to watch this low pressure system right here. And on Thursday, we're going to look for scattered cloud cover. Notice the position of this high pressure system to the north of this low. This high pressure system and the position that it's in is going to keep cold air locked in along the coast throughout this entire upcoming weekend. So on Thursday, we have lows in the mid-20s, highs in the mid-30s, with scattered cloud cover. On Friday, that low pressure system will start to get itself organized over the southeast, and notice the high pressure again building on top of it. Look for snow to start to develop in the late afternoon and evening hours, and then heavy snow can be expected throughout the entire northern mid-Atlantic, but it looks like this is going to be focused most over the coastal regions. We have to watch the storm. There's a lot to still work out here. The exact track, the intensity, the timing, but it looks like a pretty good bet of seeing a pretty significant snowfall throughout the entire region, with the most snowfall along the coast, potentially from Friday night into Saturday and continue on to early Sunday morning. Look for temperatures to range from the mid to upper 20s for lows and lower to mid 30s for highs. And then on Sunday, as that storm departs, look for temperatures to range from the upper 20s to lower 30s for lows and mid to upper 30s for highs. On Monday, high pressure takes hold with sky cloud cover, a bit milder, lows in the upper 20s to lower 30s, highs in the upper 30s. Pretty much near normal for this time of year. That is your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NY and JPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.